Hey guys, so right now we just finished baselining this brand new 2023 Escalade V. She made 511 horse, 513 torque. We're gonna go ahead and do an apples to apples comparison. So we're gonna take the stock air filter off and we're gonna do a nice S&B air filter here. It's nice about these filters, they're a better flowing filter and they're cleanable. So you don't have to keep buying filters over and over again. We're hoping to see some horsepower gains. We're not going to tune it, so we're just going to see what stock tune file will do compared to a stock intake as to an aftermarket intake. We're going to go ahead and take the stock one out, transfer all the stuff. This intake system uses this nice air box that also has a window in it, so you can see your filter life as compared to a stock one that doesn't. So you can just take a quick glance into the hood instead of taking the whole air box apart and having to dig into it, where you can just take a quick glance and be like, it's time to clean it. SMB products are also real nice quality stuff. We see a lot of nice horsepower gains with these when fully modded out, but we're hoping to see a lot of horsepower gains just with the air filter alone. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, and then we're going to run it on the dyno and see what our gains are. We'll check back in a minute. Hey, so we're in the middle of the install. I was able to get the air box in, the air filter in. Just fighting with this pipe right now. This is the intermediate pipe that comes through the throttle body that hooks up to the mass airflow pipe. Just takes a little persuasion. It's a tight fit in this engine bay as compared to a normal Cadillac. This big 2650 blower in here makes it real tough between the fans and the throttle body to get anything in there. But with a little bit of persuasion, I think I can get it.
So sick for a daily driver, dude. Smooth as glass and fucking hauls ass too. So just a cold air intake. Look at that, solid. I'll call it just 15 plus rear wheel horsepower gains. Same with rear wheel torque. That's with full heat in them. 517, 519 were our baselines. 535, 536 was our after. Cold air install only, no tuning yet. Next will be ported blower and a full tune. Bye. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And as always, please comment below.